Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to another video in this QuickBooks tutorial. I've shown you how to add customers, how to edit customers, and lots of other things. I'm now going to show you very quickly how to raise a customer statement. So we've done lots of work with SM Accounting. I've raised 3 invoices, I've raised a credit note. The credit note's been allocated. Let's just say we want to send them a statement now just to show them the balance on their account, especially now they have a credit note on their account. Perhaps we want to send them a statement just to show that. All you need to do, very straightforward, is go to New Transaction at the top here, just like we did with Invoice and Credit Note. But this time you want to click Statement. You'll then get this statement box appear, Create Statements. Just enter the information you want. So let's do the start date from the beginning of January. Click Apply. The end date is today's date. Click Print or Preview and you'll have your statement appear. And just like the invoices, this information is all brought from that initial company setup procedure that I showed you, clicking on that gear and entering that information. So we have our statement here. You can see we have the 3 invoices, 1001, 1002, 1003, and the credit note 1004. We have the amount due and this running balance down the side here. It's very straightforward. All I need to do now is either print the invoice using this button here or down here, or I can download it using this option. And just like the invoices and credit notes, I can save and send it, so I can email it from QuickBooks directly if I want to. So very straightforward stuff. Let's do another one. New transaction, statement, enter the details. Make sure you click Apply and then print or preview or save and send the statement. I'm not going to show you how to record customer payments yet. You'll see that we have 2 invoices here. I haven't shown you how to mark an invoice as paid. I'll show you that later on once we go through the banking pages of QuickBooks Online. But now you know the very basics of the sales ledger. That's accessing the sales ledger, viewing all the invoices, viewing the customers, viewing customer accounts, editing customer accounts, raising invoices, raising credit notes, and raising statements. In the next set of videos, I will show you how to do pretty much the same, but this time with the purchase ledger. So adding suppliers, adding supplier information, editing supplier information, creating and recording supplier invoices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for getting this far with the tutorial. Please continue to watch. More videos about QuickBooks Online will follow.